Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, then hi, my name is Riti Mukta. I do post some makeup, fashion, and dance videos on my YouTube as well on my Instagram. So if you are a kind of person who enjoy this genre, then you are in the very right place. Quickly go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so that you will never miss any of my video that I post. And you can follow me on Instagram. I'll mention the link in the description box. So today we are creating this beautiful look. This is very simple to create, guys. If you guys wanna know how I created this amazing look, then without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video. So let's create this amazing, beautiful makeup look today. Isn't it so pretty? I am like, oh my god, loving it. So yeah, let's go ahead and learn how to create this amazing look. As you can see, guys, my skin is completely ready for some makeup. So first we're gonna apply concealer. For that I have taken Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm concealing all the areas that needs to be highlighted on my dark spots too, so that all the dark spots that I have on my skin that will be hidden. I'm gonna blend the concealer with the help of a damp beauty blender. I'm dabbing the beauty blender on the spots that I have applied very light-handedly, as you can see. And this is how we're gonna blend the concealer that we have applied on our face. And next we're gonna proceed with our foundation. For that I have taken the one from Lotus liquid foundation. With that same beauty blender, I'm blending the foundation that I have applied. Also I'm applying on my eyelid and on the entire face. But the most important part is blending, guys. You have to be very gentle and take your time while blending the foundation so that our face is not gonna look cakey and everything looks evenly blended and flawless. Now I have taken a pink shade lipstick and I'm applying it on my cheeks as a blush. And on back of the beauty blender, I'm blending the lipstick that I've applied as blush. On this cheek also I'm blending it very light-handedly. Now for contouring, I have taken the Makeup Revolution contour stick and I'm applying the contour wherever I feel like my face need to be contoured. With the help of the same beauty blender, I am blending the contour that I have applied. Contouring will help to enhance the feature that we have on our face. Also will provide a very beautiful and very different dimension to our face features. Here I am setting my base makeup with the help of some loose powder. Whatever loose powder is available, you can use that. Anyone having oily skin like me, this step is really essential. By this, we're gonna achieve a smudge proof base makeup. For eye makeup, first I have taken the pink shade eyeshadow and I have applied it on my entire eyelid, and right now I'm applying it under my eyes, close to my lower lash line. I'm moving the brush back and forth until I get the look that I want. For eyeliner, I have taken the blue one from Lakme and I'm gonna make a blue wing eyeliner with a pointed inner corner, as you can see. And you guys, this is how my eye makeup looks. Let me quickly finish up the other eye and I'll be back. For mascara, I have taken the Nykaa Curl Power mascara and as you can see, I'm applying it on my upper and lower lashes. And here I'm just filling my brows just to make it look perfect. I'm not doing anything extra, just filling the gaps that I have in between my brow hairs. For lips, I have taken the matte lipstick from Lotus and with the help of a brush, I'm applying it. I love to apply lipstick using brush. And you guys, this is how it looks. Let me quickly do my hair and jewelry, and here I am back. you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you guys learned how to create this amazing look. And yes guys, whatever product that I have used, I'm gonna mention in the description box with the links. So go check that out. If you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment on my videos. Follow me on Instagram for such amazing videos. The link will be in description box. Go check that out. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.